welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't done a video in months.
For a long time. But I hope you guys didn't miss me that much because now I'm back.
And I will be giving you guys videos after videos after videos after videos. Before we get started, I want to tell you guys to make sure you follow me on Instagram at LaShiraMonet. I'll make sure it's on the screen. Also, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below.
Today will be my unboxing. A lot of you answered my poll that I put on my Instagram. So, here we go.
So I have these two companies that I'm working with. One of them is called Vogue Me on Instagram. I will tag them here as well. And this is an eyewear brand. And they sent me 4 pairs of eyewear. Now, a lot of you know that, or some of you may know, I am not an eyeglass type person, but I just have to say, like, these are super cute. And it's summertime, and I will be walking around with these on, looking fly. Look at these. I don't know if you guys can see the pink on them, but these are everything. And it also comes with a cute case. And this next pair, these are super classic. These remind me of the 90s, and I am most definitely a 90s baby, you know, 90s fashion all day. But these are fly. Walking around, I don't know if you're supposed to wear them down here and then like fake the look, the eye over the glasses type look, like, hey girl, hey. I don't know, but I love these. These are fun. Also, I will add a link in my description below so that you guys can click and shop around. They have like a bunch of glasses, and you can definitely use my code LaShira for 15% off. Yes, I said 15% off. And these are so inexpensive. Like, you guys have to go check them out. These are bomb. Ooh. Ooh. Is that me or not? Which ones do you guys like better? Black and white or the pink and white? Because both of these are serving. I'm gonna turn this to an eyewear girl overnight. I love it. So now we're gonna get into our last pair out of the bunch.
And these are the ones you might see me wear like all the time. I'll just like wake up and put them on just because.
These are so me.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
I'm always here for a clear glass. Clear glasses.
I'm always here for the clear.
These are amazing. I love these. Yes. Make sure y'all go to my Instagram account, LaShiraMonet, because I will be posting some amazing photos with my new pair of glasses that I got from Vogue Me. I'm so excited to be working with them. Make sure that you use my discount code for 15% off. Discount code is LaShira. So that is it for this brand. I am so excited about this. This is a makeup brand called Adept Cosmetics. And let's just say they sent me a huge box. So we're about to see what are the goodies inside. Let's get into what's in here. So they sent me 2 small boxes with 32 pieces each of eyeshadows. Different eyeshadow colors.
Let's see what else is in here.
Oh, cute. Oh, this is super cute. So they sent me a little eyeshadow palette with a mirror, and these spaces are for me to create my own eyeshadow palette with the different colors that I'll pick out of there, which is amazing.
And then we have a huge box at the bottom. So this is the brand. Make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram.
And make sure you stay tuned to see the looks that I create with all of the colors. But this is also cute. Whoa, they sent me a bigger one. Okay, with this one, I will actually feel like a real makeup artist.
I am excited to see how this works. So I'm gonna open one shadow.
Comes out like this. This is the color ACM17. And I'm going to just open it. And how cool is that? That it's a magnet. It's a magnet, guys. It's a magnet. That is so cute. Like, oh my gosh. That is super cute. Can you imagine what my palette is about to look like? I'm about to look real legit. Thank you, Adept Cosmetics, for sending these to me. I can't wait to play in these, play in the colors, create some eye looks. Make sure you guys head to my Instagram account at LaShiraMonet and see what I come up with. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm like, I don't even know where to start. Comment below what you think. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. LaShiraMonet is back.